Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to the healthier side of things. And yes guys, I'm gonna show you one of the juice I drink once up to twice per day. This will be my cactus, celery, ginger, cucumber and some lemon juice, or you can use lime and a little bit of honey. Can you see it guys? Oh, I have to go to Jamaica to get one. I'm gonna bring up two this time. All right guys, I'm gonna cut up all of this. I wash my celery and cut it up, cut up my cucumber and my ginger and my tuna or cactus, and I have some water. All right, we're gonna add everything all at once and we're gonna blend if the blender can hold. If not, you just do it in portion and then we're gonna strain it. All right, let's add my tuna or my cactus. Wait. And I'm gonna blend these together because I don't think the blender can hold all of it. Woo. There it is, and you just want to fill it up with water. You want to cover it. There it is. Now we're gonna blend it. So we're gonna strain this, all right, and we're just gonna pour it out. Look at that. All right guys, so you're gonna strain it until everything comes out, okay, and you're gonna throw this part out. Okay, now we're gonna blend the celery, and now we're gonna add the water, and we're gonna blend it. And we're going to strain it over this one. When you strain everything, it should look green and refreshing. If you blend it on low speed guys, the tuna or the cactus will be slimy. All right, you have to blend it on high speed so it can break up all the slime or you know, all of that. So can you see it? Just like natural juice. Okay, now we're gonna add our honey and our lemon or lime juice. This is 1 lemon. I put the strainer in it so if it have any seed, I can catch it because I'm not going to strain it again. There you go. Look here. My honey almost finished. I have to get some more. I'm not gonna add more than a tablespoon. I'm gonna drink it fresh because my honey almost finished, but you can add more or less. It's up to you. Look at it guys, takes forever to come down because it's almost finished. Oy. So that's about, I'm gonna try to add 2 tablespoons. There, that's about 2 tablespoons. Nothing left guys. Okay. Oh god. And you just want to mix it together, and that's it. We're gonna serve up some. All right, so I pour some there, and I'm gonna put some in this container because I might take it to work later. So here goes. Oh, I have some ice. I like to drink mine cool or chill. And here goes. Can you see the goodness, guys? Yes. And so my peeps, this is the final result. Yes, yes. Really refreshing and nice. And this is a part of my weight loss journey, guys. I drink this juice almost every morning when I come in from work. I drink a glass. Sometimes when I wake up in the afternoon, I drink another glass. So if you're a person who do not love water, you need to drink water too, okay guys? But I will drink this 100 times, all right? Because I know it has lots of health benefits. Yes, yes. And it's not sweet. Really refreshing and nice. Good for weight loss. Good to build your immune system. Yes, yes, guys. All right, guys. This is the final result. Love upon me and I love upon you. And you can bottle it out like this, guys, and you can take it to work as well. You can do whatever you want. All right, guys. Bye.